Hello, my name is Bob Garvey, the firm of Thomas, Garvey & Garvey in St. Clair Shores, Macomb County, Michigan. The topic that I'd like to discuss today is questions that you might ask when looking for a lawyer to handle your personal injury, medical malpractice, wrongful death case. And there are 4 questions that I think any person looking for a lawyer in the state of Michigan should ask. First question is, do you limit your practice to this kind of case? I think the reason that that's important information is obvious, but it might not be as obvious to you as it is to me. The reason that's such an obvious and important question to ask, especially in the state of Michigan, is that we don't have specialization. So there is nobody who puts a seal of approval on a particular lawyer or publicly declares that this lawyer has a certain amount of competence. So any lawyer can advertise and tell you that this is what they do, and what they do well, but they don't have, there's nobody else that says that other than that person. So the first question you want to ask is, do you limit your practice to this particular area? They can't say specialize, but you can ask, and they have to honestly answer, do you limit your practice to that area? And they should. If they're going to be handling your big case, they should. Second question you want to ask is, do you try cases? Why do you want to know that? The reason you want to know that is if the lawyer never tries cases and has never had successes, the other side, the insurance companies, know that. And it just makes common sense. If you hire a lawyer that's never tried cases, at the end of the day, that lawyer's going to take whatever they offer, and it's not going to be generally a fair settlement. Third question you want to ask, again, common sense. When you do try cases, what have your results been? The lawyer should have a track record of winning, and that's important that's just common sense why that's important. That adjuster knows that. And even though you might not want to try your case, you're going to get the benefit in terms of settlement as a result of the experience that lawyer's had in the courtroom with juries. Juries keep insurance companies honest. If your lawyer never tries cases, go to another lawyer. Last question I think is fair to ask a lawyer, where do you get your cases? Where do you get your work? If the lawyer gets almost all their cases from TV ads or billboards, it tells you one thing. If a lawyer gets the majority of their cases from other lawyers in the community, that tells you quite something else, doesn't it? So if you ask those 4 questions, and it's a good idea, if you're thinking of coming to us, meet with us, compare us. Not many lawyers are going to suggest that you compare this law firm to their law firm. We urge you to do that, and we hope once you do that, you'll come and see us, and we will take care of you. Thank you.